God created everything in wisdom. Every creature, every life, every breath is a link in this chain. Humans and animals are not rivals. They are companions, walking the same path. When you love, when you care, when you reach out to the weak, the chain grows stronger. But when you harm, when you neglect, when you turn away, the chain begins to crack. And if it breaks, balance is lost. Harmony disappears. A piece of paradise fades away. Don't break the chain. Love, respect. Live in harmony. Because only then life is beautiful. Only then love finds its true meaning.